Hello, everyone. I am Dilruba Sharmin, a professional social media marketing and ads campaign specialist. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know about social media marketing in 2024. Whether you're new to this or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will cover key strategies to help you grow your business using social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok. Let's start with Facebook marketing. In 2024, it's more important than ever to understand how to run successful Facebook ads to increase engagement. You'll need to focus on creating visually appealing content, using Facebook's advanced targeting features to reach the right audience, and regularly analyzing your ad performance. Remember, the key is to engage with your audience, respond to comments, and build a strong community around your brand on Facebook. Next, let's talk about YouTube marketing. Growing a YouTube channel in 2024 requires consistency and creativity. Post high-quality videos, optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords, and engage with your audience through comments and live streams. Also, don't forget the power of YouTube ads to boost your visibility. If you're a brand, product demos, tutorials, and storytelling are great ways to engage viewers. Now let's move to Instagram marketing. In 2024, it's all about creating visually engaging content and using tools like Stories, Reels, and IGTV. Focus on building authentic connections by sharing behind-the-scenes content, running giveaways, and using Instagram ads to reach a broader audience. Remember to use hashtags smartly to increase your visibility and create a unique brand identity through consistent aesthetics. For LinkedIn marketing, this platform is great for building professional connections and establishing your brand's authority. In 2024, you'll want to share valuable content that demonstrates your expertise, like blog posts, case studies, or industry insights. LinkedIn ads can also be a great tool for B2B marketing. Don't forget to network by engaging with other professionals and joining relevant LinkedIn groups to expand your reach. When it comes to Twitter marketing, being active and timely is key. Use Twitter to engage in real-time conversations, share updates, and leverage trending topics. It's also crucial to use hashtags strategically to reach a broader audience. Twitter ads can help promote your tweets to a targeted group. Stay consistent and active to maintain visibility and grow your following. Finally, let's talk about TikTok marketing. If you want to connect with a younger audience in 2024, TikTok is the place to be. Focus on creating fun, authentic, and engaging content that can go viral. Participate in challenges, use trending sounds, and leverage TikTok ads to boost your content to the right audience. And that's it for today's video. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use social media marketing across different platforms to grow your business in 2024. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tips and guides on social media marketing. See you in the next one.